Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. Our lesson for today is about biconditional statements. So let us recall our previous lesson. So last time, we discussed about conditional statement. So pag sinabi natin conditional statement, it is also called as if-then statement. So wherein, it is in the form, if P, then Q. Or in symbol, we have P implies Q. Next is our converse statement. So, ang converse statement naman ay in the form, if Q, then P. Or in symbol, we have Q implies P. So, sa converse statement, pinagpalit natin ang position ng ating hypothesis at conclusion. So, this time, ang nasa if statement ay yung ating conclusion, and then sa then statement is our hypothesis. Next is the inverse statement. So, ang inverse statement is in the form, if not P, then not Q. Or in symbol, we have not P implies not Q. So, ang inverse statement is the negation of our conditional statement. So, ang position nito, nasa if statement pa rin ang ating hypothesis, and then sa then statement ang ating conclusion, pero both the hypothesis and conclusion are in negative form, or ito nga yung sinasabi nating negation. Next, we have the contrapositive statement. So, ang contrapositive statement is in the form, if not Q, then not P. Or in symbol, we have not Q implies not P. So, ang contrapositive statement ay switching ng position ng ating inverse statement. Kung sa inverse statement, mauuna ang ating not P, dito sa contrapositive statement, mauuna ang ating not Q. Yun yung nasa ating if statement. And then, ang then statement naman is our not P, o yung ating hypothesis. So, ang contrapositive statement then is the negation of our converse statement. So, as you can see, in the positioning of Q and P, nauna ang Q followed by P. The only difference between converse and contrapositive is that ang contrapositive is the negation of the converse statement. Okay, so this time, we are going to discuss about biconditional statement. So, ano yung tinatawag nating biconditional statement? A biconditional statement is formed if both the conditional and converse statements are true. Biconditional statement can be written in symbols as P if and only if Q. So, this is read as P if and only if Q. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung biconditional statement, magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. Okay, so from our conditional statement, again, this is in the form, if P, then Q, or P implies Q. So, ang given statement natin ay, if a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. So, kung ito ay i-analyze natin, we can say that our statement is true. So, next, from our conditional statement, gawin naman natin itong converse statement. So, ang converse statement is, if Q, then P, or Q implies P. So, this will become, if a number is divisible by 2, then it is an even number. So, kung i-analyze din natin ang ating converse statement, so this is also true. Okay, so ano ang magiging biconditional statement natin? Based dito sa ating conditional and converse statement. So, ang biconditional statement ay magiging P if and only if Q. So, our statement is a number is even if and only if it is divisible by 2. Okay, so let us answer this activity. Given the biconditional statement, write a conditional statement and its converse. So, ang given natin ay nasa biconditional statement na. So, hahanapin natin o ilalagay natin ito sa conditional statement and converse statement. Okay, so ang given natin ay an angle is obtuse if and only if it measures between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, so what will be our conditional statement? Based dito sa ating given biconditional statement. So our answer will be, if an angle is obtuse, then it measures between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, next is our converse statement. So our converse statement will be, if an angle measures between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, then it is an obtuse angle. So another example, two lines are parallel if and only if they do not intersect each other. So ito yung ating pinaka-biconditional statement. So let us look for conditional statement. So ang sagot natin ay, if two lines are parallel, then they do not intersect each other. Next is our converse statement. So, ang ating converse statement ay magiging, if two lines do not intersect each other, then they are parallel. So, as you notice, both the conditional and converse statement are true. So, ibig sabihin, ang biconditional statement natin ay also true. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Bye!